Hello YouTube, OB Gaming here, and welcome back to Brick Rigs, and today we're checking out some more military creations from the workshop. So, here I have a huge, I think it's supposed to be an artillery or missile launching vehicle. I have to check what this is, because I have no clue what this thing is. Looks like... I think it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. It's just a weird... Oh, hang on, I think it was this one. Hold on. Replace vehicle. I think it was this one. Because... What the... No, this is a different model, apparently. But honestly... why not? I guess because the way I thought it was... I think the reason why I thought it was this one was because of, the color of the missiles or whatever. But, X2... Night vision... What? Hazard lights of... so there are missiles. It's just... Fire action. How do you fire action? Do not re-upload. Okay, got it. I think that was just for the creator to tell people not to re-upload because of whatever. But, whatever. Okay, it looks like there's a... Oh, wait, there is a camera. It's just pointing up at the sky. What does it mean by Action 2? What does that mean? Whoops, that was from a different video. Jeez, this thing moves fast. Gosh. Now, it says that you can fire missiles, but... This is just hilarious. Control, okay, so... It says second action. What is second action? Wait a minute, I think I know what that... Hold on, let me just, Oh, jeez, that was the wrong button. What does the term second action mean? Because I could tell that's what it said. First action, second action, arms 4 missiles. What does it mean by that? Fire action. What is... How do you change the fire action? Fire action, what does it mean by that? Description, the description makes no sense. Night vision for K, what does that mean? What are night vision lights? Jeez. Why are they... I think it's just a really bright light. Jeez, that's bright. My cameras... Yeah, it's just a blinding bright light. That turns on the... Oh, I think it was bright. Holy man! Oh, so bright. Apparently, I don't know what I'm doing with this thing, but it's funny. Okay, I'm curious to know what this one is. Hold on, let me read this real quick. Description of firing. Fire is the first one. Second one. What does it mean by fire action? Like, how do you change that? Okay, whatever. Let's just load it up. This is the thing I was wanting to do earlier that made that. Wow, that's some tinted glass. Ugh, now it's bright. It's so loud. Oh, because it's like slowed down, that explains it. Gosh! That hurt my ears. And now this is an M2 Browning. They have an M2 Browning? That's a thing? Something to download? I did not know it was a thing. You know, the M2 Browning is still used in the U.S. military today. For some reason. It was used in World War II, and then they just, like, never... Oh my goodness, this is so good. Okay, that is... Oh my gosh, it actually has the crank handle. What is it? Oh, that is so funny. It just, like, goes side to side after... when it's done firing, but I gotta do this. Yeah, it just, like, starts up, and then it just stops. Like, start up firing. Goodness. Yeah. Jeez, that's a lot of ammo. Now, I'm kind of curious, can you... Oh, yeah, you can. Oh my god, I love the M2 Browning. The sad thing is that the civilians can't own the machine gun version because of the... I think it was the National Firearms Act. Is what I believe. I believe that's the... because it's called National Firearms Act. Yeah, the NFA. That's what, like, stopped the civilians from being able to own these in, like, full auto. Even though they're, like, before, the Hughes Amendments Act, I believe, is what it is. Because it was because these are pre-1986 machine guns. The problem is you can't buy them. Because, like I said, NFA. So, that sucks. There's also a bomber here, which honestly, I have no idea what that one does. This is... Holy man, this was cool. But first, I'm gonna... Oh my gosh, there's a destroyer here. I want to download this just because I want to know what it does. This thing... This is an M1 Abrams. Looks like an M1 Abrams tank. M1A2. So, download that. Take this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find this one fun, so... I am going to reset the map, actually, for the... Oh. Actually, you know what? Maybe the building in front of us will be fine. And first, I got to go find a different spot to go fire these off. Okay, you know what? Do it right here. Close road, whatever. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. What is that flying? Like, I never had anything down here that, like, that's weird. But, anyway, bye-bye, train station. Oh, jeez. Well, Well, it's still standing, I guess. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I can get all these, like, I'm gonna see if I can get these houses. This targeting reticle does it. Yeah, it does. That is... No, jeez. Oh, this is fun. Jeez. This is like, these are like destructive. But they're perfect for leveling a city, I would say. So, hold on, I gotta do it again. Come on, fire. Up, there we go. This is so fun. Okay, now it's just... This turret has got to be one of one of my most favorite, like, creations. You know, I just wish we could see more like this. Let's do this tank, because I do want to see what it looks like. And then we'll go to the destroyer. Yeah. Whoa! The Soviet tank almost got run over by a train. Wait a minute. This thing has hatches? Oh, it's got like a little hatch in the back. It's got like a little engine right there, too. Wait, hold on. Is that because there's like some sort of jet in the back? Nope, that's just there for show, I guess. I think the real one probably has something to do with that. This other hatch seems to be like a tools hatch or something. Nope, it's an entrance hatch. There's so many hatches on this thing. Oh, that's cool. It's in sync. There's the driver's hatch. What is this one? Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's like a viewport. Wait, hang on. You lift that up and then you can lift that up. That's funny. Jeez, it doesn't even look like the barrel. It doesn't even look like it falls in line with the barrel up. Maybe not. Let's see where the camera's at. Oh, that's detailed. That's really detailed. Oh, that's really cool. I don't even know what the purpose of that one is. What? Ah, that's a lot better. It's really bright, though. Okay. That's not really that fun, but honestly, you know, I'll take it. A Canadian-Hungarian bus. You gotta be kidding me. Is that what this is? Because it shows the flag of Hungary and Canada. I love both of these countries. Like, Canada especially. I love Canada. And it's the only country that I've ever been to outside of the U.S. And I have to say, 10 out of 10. I love the Canadians. Oh, that's cute. Little, windshield wipers, doors. No idea what that does. But I must say, it is an impressive bus. Let me see what the inside looks like. I have a radio in here. Okay, it's weird. I think those are just lights, is all those are. But a cool bus nonetheless. I think I'm going to add it to my random vehicles collection in the game. Just, gotta wait for all this junk to load. There we go. And I'm going to add it. Yeah, because I'm right. Because these are Hungary and Canadian. Yeah, Hungary, Canada, right there. You can see it. And you love to see it. But anyways, guys, I think we're going to actually have to move the Star Destroyer to the next episode. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.